Siada we social Adom TV ne yɛto aso konsam foforo mu na de hye ya won susu se security guards a wɔn Asante Gold Corporation any baby any zongo any old town for ade nyina wo baby any anwa so be kwai mensimu wo February bosumi no emu no yɛbɛkɔ saa wɔn nsɛm ne mu ofisi wɔn susu sɛ yɛgya wɔn asɛm ama wɔn a yɛamoa wɔn yɛde sansɛm no ɛbɛbrɛ mu ya konsem foforo mu kanema mpani John Dramani Mahama se nyame ya nadom NDC fo koyi Frank Atuni no mu yi no na o se didimu na 2024 Ghana for the 2 million man se mampani a ex-gratia de obeyi de free ho to aso na Adom TV edeba
kanema mpani John Dramani Mahama eda ne campaign no edi ewo University of Allied Health Science ewo Sokode ya ewo ho wo fraumantamu no ene wodi tu dja se wonya akwanya esan bidi oman yisu bi mu a na memmuo mu no wo betwa ex-gratia mu.
The payment of ex-gratia to members of the executive under Article 71 will be scrapped. And the necessary constitutional steps to abolish that payment will start in earnest in 2025. We will also begin the process of persuading the other arms of government other than the executive to accept the removal of these ex-gratia payments.
Wadane campaign no adia wade to omanfo nyina enim se o pepa so babinya akwanya edu oman so biom no ena John Dramani Mahama eka to aso se na memmuo mu no obema kwan ama 3 arms of government ni nyina aye adwuma ya wosan edi twa to se asofo ene wono mabedi ekire woni wono be ye adwuma e wona memmuo mu no obeti so abedu sia.
Last year, in a crisis situation like this, it is my belief that this country can be governed efficiently with 60 ministers and deputy ministers. We will initiate and undertake the most far-reaching constitutional, political and governance reforms under the Fourth Republic, which will be aimed at restoring confidence in our democracy and governance systems while making life easier and better for the people of Ghana. In response to the concerns and calls from many of you, we will initiate and undertake the most far-reaching constitutional, political and governance reforms that will restore confidence in our democracy. We will continue and bring to conclusion the constitutional review process that was begun by the late President Adom, which will include a review of the controversial Article 71 to reduce the number of office holders under Article 71 and reduce the disparities in privileges and emoluments vis-a-vis the public sector and civil service. To ensure efficiency and professionalism in this endeavor, institutions of states will be empowered to work independently without interference. State-owned enterprises will not be a gravy train for political apparatus.